Hi to all the lovely people. You all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point, and I am back again with yet another video to upskill your language, to get you more acclimatized to English for your daily usage. Well, of course, English almost never fails to surprise us, and this video will present yet another perspective of English which will actually really surprise you. Okay, now in this video, as you've just read out the topic, we're going to discuss about how to actually use get in so many different forms. Every time you use get with any word, the meaning changes. And isn't it amazing that just this three-letter word can be used for a variety of situations? So, well, then what are we waiting for? Let's get started and let's see how do we actually use this word in order to change the meaning every time. Okay, so here it is in a quiz format, and let us see what it actually means. Okay, they got him by hacking into his smartphone. So got him here, what is the actually meaning here? What is the meaning by got him? So got him actually means caught, right? So they got him by hacking into his smartphone, which means they caught him. How many children have you got? Well, have you got here again uses get, right? So got is actually another form of get, and have you got actually, what does it mean in this sentence? So do you have is the right answer. So have you got actually here means do you have. So every time the context changes, the meaning changes, but the word remains the same. That is the beauty of English. I think it's time for us to get out of the shipping business. So get out here, again, get is used but in a different meaning or in a different sort of capacity altogether. So get out of shipping business, which means to leave the shipping business. So here again the meaning changes. Every time you use get in a different way with different words, the meaning completely changes. I'm afraid I don't get the problem at all. So I don't get the problem. Again, what does that mean? Well, it means I don't understand. So again, yet another different way of using get. What are you trying to get at? Again, same word, but used with different words, so the meaning has changed. So let us see what is the meaning. What are you trying to get at? So get at actually means what are you trying to say, or what is the point that you're trying to make, right? So again, a different way in which get can be used. My son got into Harvard last month. So what does that mean? Got into. So got into here, if you see again, same word get but different meaning, was accepted, right? So was accepted. He got into Harvard, which means he got accepted into Harvard. Let's get together soon. So get together here again, same word get but a different context in which it is being used. So get together actually means to meet somebody or to see each other if you choose the right option. So to see each other. So again, it's the same word get, but again it's being used in a different way altogether. They have to get serious about their work. Again, get is like, it's omnipresent. It's almost present everywhere. Haven't you observed? So get serious. So get serious, again, get is being used, but with a different word. Hence, the meaning has changed. So get serious, actually, if you observe here, must work harder. So it is a way of saying that you need to put in more efforts. You're just being way too complacent about the entire work. So yet another different way of using get, and you end up getting a different meaning altogether. Could you get the paper for me? Well, get here again is very different. So it actually means, could you get the paper for me, or could you pick up the paper for me? So here again, the meaning of get, because it's being used in a different way altogether, the meaning has completely changed. So here it means, could you pick up the paper for me. Well, guys, didn't you all observe? There is a variety of ways in which you can use get, and every time you use it, the meaning changes. Well, isn't it a really interesting word? Did you ever notice it? Well, we would have been using these expressions, I'm sure, but probably we never noticed that it was because of get that we could form so many different expressions with just this 3-letter word. So isn't it so fascinating and amazing? Yes, it is. So well, then start using this word, because get is almost omnipresent and it could actually make you form so many different expressions which you could use day in day out in English. Well, I'm sure this quiz would have been really awakening and enlightening for you as far as this small 3-letter word is concerned in English. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.